Hello. So I'll be showing how to set up ChatGPT on your knowledge base, and setup is as a bot and as a help provider for the visitors. So first thing what we have to do is just register in platform.openui.com and get API key. So once you copy this key while you'll be creating it, and if you have extension installed ChatGPT, you go to ChatGPT bot integration settings and paste your API key and assistant ID. Once you do that, you click create and update REST API bot. Once that's done, you go to department edit, and departments, and this is the one I use, and you will see no bot appearing here. Once it's done, you can now try it out your chat director, for example. I'll show perhaps first helper chat how it works, and then I will show you what I did in this ChatGPT itself. So I write what PHP versions do you support. So I'm using Rescue to backload all the requests to the background, so UI is much faster, and we can see like typing messages and so on. So as you see, we get answer from our documentation that it's 8.2 PHP version. So if we go to the bot now, in bot constructor, you will see ChatGPT assistant, and this bot will be created automatically, and it has few things what it does. Basically, we are I can explain what it does. Basically, this is default trigger and default trigger for unknown message, and we are showing typing if we do not get answer from bot for 2 seconds. Next, we do checking have we created thread already or not. If not, we create thread, and if yes, we just send a question to this. And now, for example, this is send question. What we do a new thread. We set thread to the chat. And if we set thread, we just send a question. Also, we have failure logging. If something does not work or for some reason, for example, your credits ended in ChatGPT, we handle all this scenario. Here we wait for completed action. For example, if it's a plain question or if it requires some action from us, we will execute action on with helper chat. I'll explain that in ChatGPT platform itself. And this is a response we get from ChatGPT, and this is for required action flow, and this is just for debug, and this is if function is not found, basically. So what happens under the hood? So once you set this API key, I would suggest to start from storage. Vector storage is like your knowledge base place where you store all the information related to this bot you are building on. So basically what I did, I just uploaded files here, add files, and I just dropped a bunch of MD files I had from documentation. And then I created assistant and assigned this vector storage to assistant. So this part is done like that. Then we go to assistants, and you will see this your created assistants. And in file search, you see it's enabled, and we have vector storage assigned to it. And we use this model, this small one model and we give instructions to this our system that it will make answers only from our file search. If it does not find answer in our file search, it will write I don't know. Also, we limit that answer should not be more than 50 words by itself. Also, what we did here, functions. So we defined one function, for example, how much paid support cost. For in my scenario, you can do much more, like it can extract arguments which you can use in REST API, but I did not cover it. This topic, it's very similar way, which I will show you afterwards. So this is function, and that's it. There is nothing else to be done here. You can also playground here directly with your bot once you are happy how it works. Now about this function, how do we work? So when bot is expecting us to execute function and triggers send back trigger to the ChatGPT, I'm doing a little bit different action. So I'm searching for action function name in this content too. This is as you see here, this is paid support request, and you see this matches our function call in ChatGPT with paid support price. So instead of interacting further with ChatGPT, I just execute this trigger, and that's it. We don't need anything else, and we can write update information live without touching ChatGPT. And I can show you, for example, what is hourly price if I need help, and it should execute it, this function. Yeah, you see, paid support price requested. So we can have triggers in ChatGPT and have on here some logic. For example, this trigger. This is if I do not want to go ChatGPT at all, if I write forgot password or any other text matching I have in LHC core. I forgot my password, what should I do? You see, you get instant response because this time it went directly to our bot. So we bypass ChatGPT at all and do not use any credits at all. So fits, and I guess okay. So this is scenario for bot integration. Now if you want, I'll change this API key, so don't worry. So we have this assistant ID and we have this project API key which we created. And in this scenario, I have checked these two options. This one is just if I want to debug what question was sent to ChatGPT and review it afterwards. So if I click now chat and of this, we have this section for operators. And operator, if customer asks some custom question, and you are having just normal chats without any ChatGPT at front end, just to save resources or money. So you can type questions on behalf of your visitors, like what video voice integrations you have, and we click send. You see we see status in progress, and at the end. And you see answer which can be given to the customer. So this way agent can interact directly with ChatGPT based on your knowledge and give answers to the customers directly from chat window without going to any ChatGPT platform or anything like that. Another scenario I integrated was we have test UI which does basically similar thing, and we have another option just this, for automatically suggest answer. And we want, for example, send one message on the last message to ChatGPT once the customer writes. I'll show you what happens now. For example, we have chat list, we have this chat. Okay, now we let's make sure I'm visible. Okay, you see here I go to here to the chat, and the ChatGPT suggested answer based on last visitor message. So if I write, for example, another message like support PHP 8.2 here, and you will see answer. You see this one changed it, and you will see directly what ChatGPT suggests as answer on our custom knowledge base to the operator. And as I disabled this option to send to enable reply prediction questions tab, now operator gets answer directly from visitor question. So, and the setup I did the way, so bot integration project API and assistant ID can be different when answer suggesting, because it can have like more documents in itself, and it can be two different assistants, one for the visitor and one for the agent. And here you will see reported questions if agent clicks like report invalid suggestion, which you can investigate afterwards. So basically it's very simple. You don't have to have any custom service, just configure this part and configure ChatGPT itself, this section, basically this one for the bot. But one more thing, for the bot to work, for answer suggestions to work, you have to, in any case, you can put, if you are not going to use bot, you still have to fill this part and click create to update REST API bot. But you can do not use it, but it's required for answer suggestions themselves. So that's it for the moment, and have fun with it. Bye.